guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today it's sunny in the island today, so I want to make another craft. I want to recycle trash. Instead of throwing it, I want to recycle and make it useful someday. Sorry for my pack because they are all want to include my video. They are the star of my video. So today I want to recycle this chair because this is broken. So instead of throwing it, instead of uh, uh, destroying it, so I will make it useful. So first I need to cut this this one. Ang tiil sa bangko. I need to cut the stand, and then I will make over on this side of the chair. So let's do it. So this is the broken chair now, because this is broken. So it's time to make it possible and can be useful. Time to remove the stuff, extra stuff. So this is my incoming chair, recycled broken chair into cement. We need to pour the formwork. cleaning so that we can connect this from work. So we have now incoming beautiful cement chair. I originally connected from work, Bluetooth from work. Look at this ghosted. So this is the chair now, the broken plastic chair. So I make it cemented now. So we will continue. Need to plaster and paint it. Now it's time to paint my craft, my DIY. So we need to paint first latex. So disclaimer, painting is not sponsored, but naman! Done of painting. We need to wait the curing, or we need to wait to dry this first coat of painting, the flat latex. Now we need to paint final color. As I always said, painting is not sponsored, baka naman. So to make it more beautiful and presentable, so I need to put green here. And I want to say thank you very much to all my subscribers, to my viewers, to all of you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. To my family, to my brother, to my husband who always supporting my video. Thank you very much, and I love you more. And please subscribe my YouTube channel Villa Julam Camotes Cebu. Hit share, and forgot like, share, hit the notification below, and bye bye. Have a good day, and hope I can give you another type of craft, another beautiful design, an idea that you can make it in your own home. Bye bye. That I already make a cement so that to make it useful. I need to fix this one, because when I put it here, it's broken. So recycle plastic, don't throw it, make it possible and useful. So I have now beautiful chair, new design with plastic and cement.